They buttery, nutty, and dangerously addictive. Seriously, if you bake a batch for your family, you might accidentally keep half. Stick around as I will show you today how to make them perfect every time, and at the end I will share my favorite cookie jam pairings. Let's start with the dough. In a large bowl, mix together flour, butter, hazelnuts, egg yolks, sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Knead until smooth dough forms. Don't overmix. Now we're going to shape this dough into a ball, wrap it in a plastic wrap, and let it cool in the fridge for about 1 hour. I know waiting is the hardest part here, but hey, it gives you time to clean up or sample a bit of jam. After 1 hour, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, so 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and line a baking sheet with a parchment paper. Roll the dough into small, walnut-sized balls and place them on your tray. Leave some space between. These cookies like a little personal room. One ball weighs from 15 to 20 grams. Now comes the fun part. Make a little dent in the center of each cookie. You can use the end of the wooden spoon or your small finger if you must. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes until they're lightly golden and your kitchen smells like Christmas morning. Let the cookies cool just a bit. And meanwhile, fill the piping bag with a strawberry jam. Strawberry jam I'm using is perfectly spreadable. If yours is not, gently heat it up. Fill the cookies with a strawberry jam. Once they completely cool, give them a dusting of the powdered sugar. Because Christmas calories doesn't count, right? These cookies store beautifully in an airtight container for about 2 weeks. If you want to mix things up, you can fill them with a different kind of jams. My favorite is obviously strawberry, but you can use raspberry, apricot, and if you like sour, you can even go for red currant. Every batch would feel like a new cookie. Let me know what your favorite filling would be. If you like these, don't stop here. Click right there to watch my next video about how to make German butter and sugar cookies. Kids and adults will love them.